Unleash the power of Minimax and Monte Carlo tree search in your Hailuo Ai for the ultimate kissing prowess. First, navigate to the kissing parameters settings. This is where you'll fine-tune your AI's approach. Think of it like programming romance. Start by adjusting the aggressiveness slider. Higher values mean a more assertive beginning, lower values a more tentative one. For beginners, medium is a good starting point. Next, crank up the technique. This controls the quality of the kiss. A higher technique means a more refined and sophisticated experience. Now, let's maximize affection. This parameter dictates the emotional component. Higher values mean a more loving and heartfelt kiss. The magic happens behind the scenes with Minimax. The AI explores all possible kiss actions and anticipates its partner's reactions to choose the best option. Monte Carlo tree search helps the AI to narrow down search process and find the optimal path for kissing and increase the chance of getting a positive output. Run a simulation to test your settings. Observe the kiss score and tweak the parameters until you reach optimal performance. Experiment and have fun.